Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negulescu. You know me for a lot of automation from YouTube. I did a lot of stuff with UiPath and ChatGPT, and I did a video with showing the autopilot for developer from Studio Desktop. Today I will show you all the features of the autopilot from developer from Studio Desktop, because in the last movie I show you just the sequence generator. So today we'll go on multiple features on this one. So with the sequence generator, the idea was like this. So basically I inside of a sequence here, I go to add something, and when I add something here, I'm able to put here a prompt, hit generate with autopilot. So generate with autopilot, and the system will be able to create the sequence with autopilot. This is an example. Like I said, inside of my YouTube here, you have multiple examples with this one, but I want to show you again this example because this is the main feature of the autopilot for developers, and I will tell you also the other features of this one. So in this case, the system was able to create a data table. Then he will make a for each on my emails and take my emails from the inbox. Then he will create objects with my emails, and then he will write this on my public sheet from sheet one. Yeah, so this will do, but I will not want to expose my email. So he already create this workflow for me. Let's see what else this autopilot for developer get on our system. So let's say that I have a sequence that is created with desktop application. Remember the UI Bank application where you have the cache-in and so on. So I did an automation where I complete this one, this one, this one, and then hit accept. But this automation is called main sequence. If I want to change put the correct name for this one, I can use this stuff. So I double click on the name of the sequence, and the system will make a summarize of all my the summary of all my activities. Yeah. So here you can see that you have an use a double UI application. So this double UI application to enter data in processing for data entering and processing action. Yeah. Because I also type in multiple stuff, and also on the end I will say click accept. Good. So in this way you can create a very fast documentation for your workflows. Yeah, good. Let's go further and see other things that autopilot for developers arrive. So let's say here that I have an workflow where I have an Excel file, and on this Excel file I will take all the rows, and from the rows I will extract the email, subject, and body. Yeah. So here, for example, I have this one. I address it as current row, and here I have the function with Autofix. Because I get a string, the system will say like this: current row by index item string value. Yeah, I can use it like this, or I can put it. You see, it's valid. So here it's valid also like this, but you can put it also to string. Yeah, to string. Okay. Good. So this is another function with this autofix. Here again, I put the email. So I want to send to send the email, and I put here just the variable email. But in reality, here because the system look, it's wanting an array of enumerables. So it's a list of emails. So when I say autofix, the system will be able to create from my email that it's just a string variable. You will be able to create a variable that it's wait a minute, I have an issue connection with the internet. Let's see. Yeah, I had an error with the internet. So basically, he write new list of string from email. Yeah. So basically, he create a list of string. Yeah, a list of string to be enumerable. I can do it again. Let's say that the internet now is not making me problems. Let's say autofix, and let's hope that and you can do also new string like this, yeah. So you saw that that option, but also this option is perfect. But it's able to make the to take decision on this one, yeah. Good. So you saw two options for this one. So this is autofix is very important. Then let's say that here, let's go on the same use case that I have an email subject and body, yeah. And with these arguments, I want to let's say um, log text with email and the subject. Yeah, and normally he has to understand that email and subject, they are variables, yeah, and he has to create me a text that where he will address the email and subject variables, yeah. Let's see if he's understanding this stuff. Again, my internet is not working with me today. Yeah, my internet is back. So in the time I write, build a string with from email, you have this subject, yeah. So you see, he create the string. He put these variables as email and subject as variables, and he put this one. So basically, I format a valid string where I can address these variables, the variables of email and subject. Yeah, and being on this system where I have the arguments with email body and subject. Yeah, let's see another use case of autopilot. So basically, if I go here and I say I create a text case, I will say data settings and I use generate with autopilot. Let's see what he will do, because the system will be able to create me some test samples for the data that I want. So for for all the three arguments that I have, he's able to create me some text samples. So you see email body, test body, and so on. So make different type of body and so subject. Yeah. So if I don't like the I don't like the value that he provides, I can put him, and you can see that he makes a variation on the subject and body. And this is very important because you will very fast you will be able to generate text data for your workflow. So as usual, if you like my movies, please subscribe to my channel and tell me what else you want to see on my movies. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Have a good one. Bye bye.